Here's where German precision meets military toughness. The Zetros feature a four-wheel drive system that enables them to climb seemingly impossible rocks. Its luxury cabin offers unprecedented crew comfort while remaining fully protected from bullets and shrapnel. Air suspension makes it the best for transporting sensitive equipment across rugged terrain. Featured points? High-end for WD, it can climb rocks the width of its tires. Luxury cabins, equipped with all amenities for the crew. Air suspension protects load on the harshest terrain. Military protection, bulletproof and shrapnel-proof cabin. Self-extinguishing system for crew safety in emergencies.